Happy no, today ain't Wednesday. Today Thursday. Happy Thursday, y'all. When I tell y'all it's cold today, oh my goodness. I'm sorry I'm screaming, but it's freezing. It's 16 degrees. It's cold. It's cold. And it was colder than that earlier today. Y'all gotta remember, I gotta be at work super early. So yeah, I'm out here in it. It's cold today. Oh my God, my hands are so ashy. Sorry, y'all. But welcome everybody. Happy Thursday. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. We always gonna get that dance in. Even though it's freezing. And I just got off work, got in my car, so my car ain't like super warm, you know, but we're gonna always get that dance in, that dance. We gonna always get the dance in. But anyway, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch all of my videos, vlogs, reviews, hauls, sip and chat, and following me on Instagram, as well as following or using my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. You are my MVP, my MVP of the channel, and because of you, yo girl keep posting. I know I'm a day late with Aldi. That's where I'm getting ready to head into her Aldi real quick. I'm just gonna grab 2 candles and I'm gonna be back up out of there, because Aldi really don't have anything that I want right now. So I do want those 2 candles, the smoke candle as well as that spice pear candle. So those are the only 2 that I'm gonna get. I think they're 14-ounce candles for $5. So I'm gonna grab that, come back out the store. I gotta go to Target real quick and then head home. Y'all, I got that Oculus. Oh my gosh, Oculus VR is a must have. I'm telling y'all, yes, it is a gaming system, but you could do so much more with that system. Oh my gosh, I've been on that thing every single day, sometimes all day. So I'm gonna come back and do like a review of that VR virtual reality system. It is next. It is so nice, y'all. If you can, I highly recommend it. You could do so much on it, but we ain't gonna get into that right now. But that's what I've been doing. I've been on that thing every day, all day. Too much, but that's another video. So let's head in here real quick. Hopefully they still have the candles. So let's head in here, grab our candles, and come back out. All right, let's go. If you want to display your fine fragrance mist from Bath & Body Works, this is the way to go right here. I'm not sure if this is the cheapest, but this is what I use for my aromatherapy sprays as well as the oils that I have. I know, y'all. I said I was going in this doggone store for 2 items and come out with what, maybe 6 items. Ain't that so? But I end up buying way more, probably like 6 items. But they had a lot of the Christmas stuff on clearance, so I grabbed a few items. First item I grabbed was this fake tree, this birch tree, and it has like the LED lights on it. I don't even know if y'all gonna be able to see that, but yeah. Items like this is really, really good to have because these are all year round items, even though they do come out for Christmas. But anytime you could get Christmas items super cheap and you could use them throughout the year, I highly recommend you get them. So I grabbed this. It was $6.50. Really, really good deal. I don't know what the regular price was. I think these were like maybe $20. No, that probably was like $14 or $15 probably. But $6.50 is not a bad deal. It has the LED lights on it, as y'all seen, because I hit the button. And that's what it looked like on the back. Hopefully y'all can see that. So I got that. I grabbed that. I think all of the stuff is like 50% off, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. Also, another Christmas item I got, and then I'll go into that. Another Christmas item I got was the gift box candles. The gift box candles. I think these were like $6 or $7. So yeah, I grabbed this, and this is hot butter rum. Yes, I said I'll get it. And it had all 4 of the different scents. Come in this little small jar, single wick candle. It smells so good. It smelled like caramel. This is nice. This is super nice. And it was only $2.50. $2.50. So I'm assuming that it was probably $5 maybe. $2.50. Yes. I didn't want to grab the rest because they did have all of the scents, the peppermint bark, the spice cider, this one, and I think it was a fresh balsam, but I passed on those. And y'all know I absolutely love, I'm sorry my hands, y'all know I absolutely love my elephant basket that I had got from Aldi. Love it. That thing holds 25 single wick candles. Hopefully you got your hands on it. I just love mine. And y'all know I was always talking about the pineapple. They had it. It wasn't on clearance though, but I know I wanted it, so I grabbed the pineapple one. Yes, y'all, I decided to grab the pineapple one, the pineapple basket. Love it. Only thing I don't like about this is the fact that there's no way to kind of snap the lid on it. I mean, of course you could make something to make it kind of snap together or stay on it a little bit better, but I love this thing. You can Google this, and I think West Elm had this for $70. I paid $24. Yeah, I feel like it is a little bit on the high side, but I like it, and I'd rather pay $25 over $70. I have no issues with the elephant one that I have. I just love it, and this thing is huge. Believe it or not, this thing will hold a lot. I think I'm going to put a couple of my throw blankets on the inside of this one. So yeah, I got that. And then the 2 items that I actually went in there for is the 2 candles. The firewood candle and the spiced pear candle. As y'all see, got a gold lid, and it's like a matte black and gold jar. Does it have any scent notes? The scent notes to firewood is wood smoke, leather, amber. Oh my goodness. Wow. Now this smells like luxury, but I'm here to tell you, if you don't like smoked candles, you will not like this, because that smoke scent is the first scent that you get. You ain't gonna like it. So do not buy this firewood candle, because you are not gonna like it. This is most definitely a smoky candle. You get that smoke, you get that warm, you get that leather. Wow, I probably should have got 2 of these. I probably should have grabbed 2. Just because y'all know I love grown and sexy scents. And to me, that leather note and that amber note is next level for me. Plus the smokiness. Yes, yes, yes. I could see myself burning this, sipping on some cognac, maybe with a cigar. I don't really do cigars that often, every blue moon. But I most definitely could see myself just chilling out with some cognac and just listening to some good music. That's what this candle is. This is chill mode. This is lounge mode. Yes, yes, yes. Cigar bar mode or vibes. Cigar bar vibes. That's what this one is giving me. Amazing. Now the spiced pear. What I'm noticing about myself is I love pear candles. I'm just finding that out about myself. So when I seen that they were gonna do this spiced pear candle, I said, yeah, I want that. I want to try it. So we're gonna see. As y'all do see, it does have it on the top, and it is green and gold. Wow, this is nice, but it's this is nice. This is nice, but the first thing I thought about when I smelled this candle was apples for some reason, like green apples. This is nice, but I think I like the other one better. Okay, the scent notes in this one is pear, cinnamon, musk. These candles are kind of next level, and I kind of wish I paid more attention to those other ones, but the other ones was like a orange, chocolate, which probably would, dang, I should have checked that one out. That orange chocolate, if that one have like a liqueur vibe to it, that one probably is good. More than just a chocolate, because it is an orange chocolate. But if they would have put like a cognac one, I know they ain't gonna put no cognac in there, but if they would have did something like that, it would have put me in the mind of Grand Marnier. But I already know that's going to be more of a chocolate candle with undertones of orange. So that's the reason why I passed on that one. But something is telling me I probably should have grabbed that one. And I can't remember what the other one was. I passed on those. I kind of wish I would have got 2 of the firewood, because I do absolutely love the scent notes that's in it. This one is just okay for me, but I got a feeling it's going to throw really good, because these are pretty strong on cold. So yeah, leave in the comments if this was a past week for you, or did you grab any of these candles. Also, y'all, my store haven't got the new seasonal candles in yet. I'm not sure when they're gonna arrive, but they don't have them. They still have some of the summer seasonal candles. Leave in the comments, let me know, did you pass this week, or did you grab some candles? Man, my hands are so ashy. Oh, that is so cute. Do y'all have any of the Christmas stuff still?
No.
Okay.
This is it.
That's cute. Should I get this one? Okay, y'all, I know I said I was done, and I really wasn't gonna buy no more cups, no more Starbucks cups, but when I went in there, they had the new 2022 stuff. Yes, yes, yes. And y'all know red is not my favorite color, but this Valentine cup is so nice. It actually has little hearts on it. This is so nice. So nice, y'all. And then with the lid, I finally got one with this dome lid. Finally. Even though I'm still sorry, this is so loud. Even though I'm still looking for that mint cup, I have not seen it in my area. And then another next one I got is this one, the tumbler. Oh my God, I thought this was so cute, y'all. But this thing, $20. That's kind of high. But what I did notice, they don't have the little hang tag on it. Normally they have that. This is the Chinese thing, the Chinese collection, I believe. But I did grab it. I thought this was so cute, I had to buy it, but $20 is a little steep. Especially because I like cups with straws. Had to make sure it had the straw in it, because I really love cups with straws. But I thought this was so cute, and the first thing I thought about was my grandbaby King. That's the first thing I thought about when I seen this cup, so I had to get it. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's all I got. Oh, and then I asked the girl too, did they have any holiday stuff? And like I said, she wasn't very friendly at all. I don't know what the hell her problem is, but she wasn't friendly at all. She was like, no, I don't think we have anything. And then she go and pull this cup off the shelf. I said, well, ain't that Christmas? I think so. Girl, you're the manager. You and your stank. Let me be quiet. But this was $10. This was $10. Regular price was $15. So that was a little discount. You know, it's cute. Y'all know I love my coffee mugs. Love coffee mugs. I don't know why, but I just do. So yeah, I grabbed this too. Thank goodness I had gift cards. So basically, I used all my gift cards on these items. Yeah, so I'm happy about that. So yeah. Starbucks. It's so cold, y'all. Just leaving out of Starbucks. I didn't buy anything. I just wanted to see what kind of cups they had. As y'all did see, they do not have that studded cup like the Valentine stuff. I think the release was Monday or Tuesday, but they don't have anything but that pink tumbler. They have that pink tumbler, and I didn't really want that. I really wanted that Stanley collection, but that cup was $30. Woo, that's expensive. So I passed on that, and that's gonna be it, y'all. I would love to have the pink cup, the grande pink cup like this, but it's the short one. I would love to have that one. It's more like a fuchsia pink. I would love to have it, but if I can't find it, it's whatever. You know, it ain't no big deal. So that's gonna be it for real this time. That's gonna be it, because I'm gonna head home, eat lunch, and then head back to work. It is freezing. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments, let me know, have you found any of the new collection at Starbucks? Leave that in the comments, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.